Hey guys, in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to save time cleaning, but I'm going to show you how to get the best clean ever in your home. Now, this is not because I have an active family or because I do have a toddler running around and a cat. It is because I have recently moved into my home and we have construction still going on ongoingly, and there is dust everywhere, debris everywhere, and I have to be cleaning every single day. Yes, I do have hired help, but let me tell you, they don't live with me, so I still have a bunch of cleaning to do. So stick around in this video. Let me tell you why this product is going to change your life forever. Okay, so let's take a step back and start from the beginning in terms of when I actually received this and how long I've been using it. By the way, this video is not sponsored. However, I am an Amazon affiliate and the link to this product will be down below, and I do gain a small commission if you do decide to purchase this product via that link at no additional cost to you, of course. Having bought this based on the crazy amount of reviews it has, I believe it has over 30,000 reviews, it definitely lived up to its reputation. So we moved in probably around September of last year, and I have been using this thing from, I would say, 2 months in. So I received it in November of last year, so it's gotten a good 3 months of use, and it has been game changing. Trust me, I know how overused that phrase game changing is, but really and truly, this changes your entire cleaning regime or your mentality towards cleaning, I would say, because this is giving you a professional clean without the effort. Not to mention, it's saving me tons of time as well as saving me tons of cash because to get a professional cleaning crew in here as frequently as I need a clean, that is not financially feasible for me. So this thing has really been doing all the cleaning work for us at home in very little time. Okay, so what I'm raving about is the Tineco iFloor 3 Breeze Complete Wet Dry Vacuum. It is cordless for cleaning your floors, and here's the amount of reviews: 30,816 reviews. This is why I bought it. I thought it would have been a no-brainer, and it definitely was. So basically, this thing cleans your floor like a professional cleaning company. It's a vacuum and mop in one. So it is deep cleaning your floors with just the click of a button. The maintenance bit of it is crazy easy because it's self-cleaning. It also has self-propulsion. So you're not pushing this really with any sort of effort. It propels itself. The thing is like a robot. And I'm going to link just a dad's YouTube video because he dives deep into the actual specs on this particular model. So you can find the link to that video in the description. I'm going to show you exactly how I've been using it, and this first frame is the most important bit on why I love this product so much. Basically, we have a ton of respirable dust sitting on our surfaces that the naked eye is not going to see. However, this machine has a microfiber roller. So this is how it's able to deep clean your floors because you basically have a powered microfiber rotating on your floors that is not going to miss a beat in terms of catching all the dust and debris, and most importantly, the respirable dust. We also have quite a bit of Saharan dust in Trinidad, and this really ensures that we keep a healthy home, or we try to keep it as clean as possible using this, and it really has been serving us well. So the respirable dust I want to stress on because we are asthmatic here, and this has been saving us. Besides the microfiber roller being powered, the vacuum element is super high powered so that this microfiber roller is being cleaned consistently while it's in use. So you're not just cleaning your floors or basically wiping your surfaces with a dirty microfiber all the time. The vacuuming bit of it keeps this thing clean as it works. Now, there is a self-cleaning functionality as well. That is wonderful because now I don't even have to clean this thing. It cleans itself, and I will demo that for you guys to see exactly what I mean. As I mentioned, surface cleaning in another video, I will show you guys the tools that I use to clean my tabletops, countertops, and all of that. So you can look out for that in another video. But this one is specifically on how to maintain that professional clean on your floor, on any floor surface. So my floors are wooden, and I also do have tiles, and this works on both surfaces perfectly. This machine also mops the floor simultaneously, so that's two functionalities in one. I don't think I mentioned that I grow a ton of plants indoors as well. So when I have plant chores, you can imagine the amount of soil on the floor if I'm repotting or if I'm just doing a quick touch up. I've got soil on the floors if I'm watering. I've got water all over, or even fertilizer or pest treatments on my floor. Now my pest treatment is oil based. And this vacuum or mop vac is able to extract the oil from my floors to avoid anyone from slipping. But basically, I've got a lot of going on in this house, and this has been saving me. So to engage the mopping feature, basically you fill this water tank up to the max line using their cleaning solution. It's just a cap that you need. A little goes a long way, and it does have a really nice refreshing smell. All of the supporting products are available on Amazon, so when you do need to refill your stuff, everything is readily available. You don't have to worry about having to hunt for these things. They are quite accessible. So you just fill this little water tank up and you insert it, of which you'll hear a little click to know that you've done it right. So basically, you have a runtime of 20 minutes, which seems like it's a short time, but let me tell you, this thing is flying through your space. So 20 minutes is more than enough for me anyway to do a two-story house. It charges just like this, plugged in. Once it's on, it's docking station. This is the docking station that it sits on when it's charging, as well as when you want to engage that self-cleaning feature that I mentioned before. I want to show you guys exactly how this self-cleaning is done. It has to be plugged in for you to do this. Everything is in the manual, by the way, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You're going to hold down that power button. It says for 3 seconds, but in my experience, it takes 5 seconds to start going. Once it starts going, you're going to see the roller spinning on the docking station. What it starts doing next is dispensing the cleaning solution from the water tank I showed you guys higher up, just below. You may be able to see the water coming out. I'll do a closer frame for you guys to see. But basically, it's washing that microfiber roller and dispensing the dirty solution into this tank that you'll be able to just toss out when it's done. Here's a closer look at the water to the bottom of the roller that's being dispensed from the tank above. So the roller is going to be spinning in this cleaning solution, and then you saw it got sucked up there by the vacuum and dispensed into this tank that you're going to toss out. So basically, I repeat this self-cleaning process until the color of the water clears out, and I just keep dumping it out basically and rinsing the tank as needed until the solution comes out clear, having cleaned the roller properly. So I just rinse the tank out like this and repeat any number of times depending on how dirty the roller was or how much cleaning I had done that day. And it's a simple rinse. So here you'll see the water clearing up, or the color of the water clearing up, which indicates that the roller is being cleaned. I'm just going to pause the process for you to see the roller itself comes out for you to check. This is the filter that also has to be cleaned. I actually take this out when I'm just vacuuming alone. Let's just say I don't want to mop because we have people over and I don't want the floors wetter and I just want to run a quick vacuum. You can just use the vacuum in isolation. You don't have to engage the mopping feature. You can just dump the dust out too, just like this. And basically, I rinse the filter out once I feel like I've used the machine long enough and it should require cleaning. I just spray it out like that and I leave it outside to air dry pretty much. That's what the instructions state anyway, to leave it out to air dry before using again. Here's where Just a Dad is demonstrating the use of the machine to pick up ketchup, chocolate syrup, an egg, a raw egg, and some spilt cereal, and the machine performed perfectly. I'll demonstrate this for you guys on Instagram when I have a really good spill to show you all. But basically, I just didn't want you all to forget that it also has liquid suction. So for these types of messes, you're good to go as well. And this is where I want to challenge you guys. If you have just cleaned your floors, I dare you to walk barefoot in that same space and tell me if your floors genuinely feel clean. There was no dust or the feeling of dust, that respirable dust that gives you that chalky feeling under your foot or even that sticky feeling after mopping. I guarantee that you will feel the difference having used the mop vac. There is no clean like when this machine cleans for you. My only wish for this product is that I wish it could be used on carpets and rugs. Sadly, it can't. As soon as I find something, I'll update you guys. Now that you know how to professionally clean your floors in minutes and save money while doing so and time, I'm going to show you guys how to clean your surfaces for the same results in next week's video. So you can look out for that video coming up next week. Comment below if you have any tools you want me to try out, or if you have any tips or tricks for us that you want to share in the community. And if you've made it this far down, thank you so much for viewing. Please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content. It really means a lot, and I'll see you in the next one.